Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Wake Up and Live. Okay, so today we're going to discuss a very popular, very common Jamaican word. It's profanity, so I just want to give a little disclaimer and a precursor before we actually begin that this is very distasteful language for many Jamaicans, and we just want you to know that this is a academic video, not a profanity based one. Okay, having said that, let us begin. Okay, so Jamaica is a very popular country. It's a small country with very big influences on the world. They say Jamaica is a little island that behaves like a big country, a country that gave Duty Bookman to Haiti, who influenced the Haitian Revolution, a country that gave Marcus Garvey to the United States, which influenced the U.S. Black Civil Rights Movement, a country that gave reggae dancehall, which inspired rap music and shaped the hip hop culture in style, dance, and slangs. Many slangs we hear them use today, they're from reggae dancehall, from Jamaica. It's a country that also gave Bob Marley, Rastafari, and reggae to the world, spreading dreadlocks all over the planet. Everybody wears dreadlocks today. All right, but today we want to take a look at a very popular word used by Jamaicans, many all over the world, and sometimes people are fascinated by what does that word mean. It sounds very earth shaking, but we don't know the meaning. So today we're going to discuss the word. All right, and the word is Jamaican curse word BomboClaat. Okay. All right. So BomboClaat is a very vulgar Jamaican expression that conveys anger, shock, or surprise. It's a little word that literally means vagina cloth. Bombo, vagina, and clot, cloth. Right? Bombo and an associated word, ras, incidentally means both vagina, and that came from the Ghanaian dialect. It's now a defunct dialect, but the Ghanaian dialect called Cromanti, years ago, no longer used, from the country of Ghana in West Africa. All right, it was a vulgar reference for most women who end up in a verbal fight with another woman. It's an expression used long before we actually had sanitary pads or tampons or so, right? It's a word used to describe a sanitary cloth, all right? Bumble being the vagina, and cloth meaning the cloth used to do your thing. All right. This was a original phrase used, as I said, to a word of endearment that was used to disgrace another woman caught in a fight with another woman. All right. A woman would typically degrade the other woman by saying things like "Come kiss me, BomboClaat." Of course, we understand what that means. Um, or stuff of that sort. Four synonyms, four associated words with BomboClaat are perhaps not as well used because of the graphic image of it. And those words are blood clot, ras clot, pussy clot, and a combination sometimes of bum or ras clot. All right. Because of the effectiveness of these words, they eventually became words of choice also for men. The irony of it, though, is that Jamaica is a very gender sensitive country. But the humor doesn't escape me many times when I hear a guy say, for example, to another guy, come kiss my BomboClaat, which I think the irony is well taken here for you also. Okay, so the most common used profanity for Jamaicans is the BomboClaat, the blood clot, the ras clot, the pussy clot, and the combination of bomb ras clot. Okay, these are all used interchangeably to express real anger, surprise, or shock. In another video, I think I may explain a couple other things, certain phrases used in association with that. But for now, thank you for watching. Hope you learned something, and leave a comment if you wish to say something about this. I know it's a touchy subject for many people. As I say, it's a distasteful group of words for many Jamaicans, and you know, we should be mindful of that when we're using that. Okay, until then, stay safe, walk good, and see you next time.